sound like?
Hi, mayong hapon. Welcome sa amon nga garden. Why you scared?
It's copying me.
No.
Stop copying me.
Oy, amo dyan mo nga garden nalaya. Hi, ginsprihan namon. Ginsprihan ko kahapon kag katumbal. Nalaya ang labog ko.
Plants are dying.
Pero nagabuhi naman. Oh, nagabuhi naman. Ayan, nagabuhi naman. Sige, napatoy. Kamatis ko. Ayan. Mga katumbal ko diha o kang una. Nami dadi.
Then second, the
Yeah.
red ants ate it. Then third, then they been
Yes.
planted again. So they're baby plants now.
Ayan, may buhi naman. Nagsabod naman kami.
How cute
Ara,
are the
nagsabod
baby
naman ako
plants?
ka kamatis kag
Be scared.
katumbal. Yes.
They're kind of fuzzy.
Ayan, isa ko ka.
Their stem is so fuzzy.
Amo dahil isa kong kamatis. Nga kapamulak doon pa may pakbunga.
What are the yellows?
This is the flower of the kamatis.
Flower? Can I pick one?
No. Kung
Oh,
manan mo, kung kuhaon mo ni, kung kuhaon mo ng flower ka
Can I
kamatis.
So
Sayang.
beautiful.
Yes. Mahangin diya.
Can you wait first? Keep taking a video. Very.
Di ka madto.
Sorry, keep taking a video.
Nga bakit man?
Also my mungo. Don't forget my mungo.
Di na munggo mo diya. Ay, ayan. Hamog na dyan munggo nilangga ko. Show your munggo to everybody. Pakita munggo mo sa tanan diya.
What is happening?
Ipakita munggo mo. Kapti munggo mo, kapti.
It's kind of muddy.
Ayan. Muda munggo kabata naman. Ayan. Yung karbasa ko ho. Makabod daya. Nam kundin ko daya pakabudon dyan yung karbasa ko ah.
But it's so beautiful.
Muda.
I'll just get,
Langga, din ka madto.
I'll just get my mommy's phone because I want to take a picture.
Amo daya. Lugbati ko may mga white flies. Amo daya white flies. Pinapamatay ko. Ayan mo da. Ayan. Basi mahulog ang phone ni mami mo diya ha. Yan damo mga white flies. Ayan. Doro.
I hate white flies.
O gani.
Plants.
Come here.
It's so beautiful. It's so
Yan.
beautiful. Look at the
Naliso na nga
flowers.
dya.
So,
Ang seeds na nga dya mo dya. Yan.
wait, I wanna show
Amo
you
do dya buhi
guys
na.
the flower. Here's the flower. Here's the flower. And this is Nainibing's plant. What's this called, Nainibing?
Kamatis.
Comet. This is the clematis flowers. Beautiful. So beautiful.
Ayan. Mabilin pagkakarabasa ko. May panabuhi.
Oh, this is Nainibing's calabasa.
Yes, that's kalabasa.
So beautiful.
And there's the tomato also there. There's small tomato.
Where?
Here, this one.
Oh, here.
Gamay ng kamatis, yes.
This one is a small potato.
Amo dya ang kung mabuhi daya, kuan daya lemon. Amo dya ang gagmay nga dya, kuan daya
This is the. Where's your?
spinach,
Where is your?
politis.
Where's your? Again, where's your tiny
Tomato.
Yeah, where? Here.
Tomato.
This
Amo-
is the tiny.
yeah. She's also recording. She's also video the introduce the plants. Okay, here pa bo kadamo gid oh, kadamo gid nang white flies oh. See that?
This one is so tiny to make.
Nako, kinapamatay ko dyan sa dorako. Lumata na daya. Ay nadlok ko mag-spray.
Super beautiful. That's the part we want. Today it's lockdown, so I'm just checking the view. It's scary. Don't look down there.
Yan, duro
So
gid.
scary.
White
Look
flies.
at all the plants. They're dying. Poor things. Why are the plants are dying?
Langga kay ginsprayhan ko kasabon.
And why do they die with sabon?
I don't know sabon in Chile and yeah,
Chili's so spicy.
yeah, I know. Ginsprayhan ko lang ka. That is why it's dying.
Name, look here. Say hi. Look here. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Bye everybody.